Hey everyone, we're moving into another week of math. We are moving on from team numbers, but we are continuing to work on number bonds and how they work. So this week you'll see we'll be doing different type of number bonds, which we're about to go over, as well as some word problems. Just kind of review this week to see how we are doing. All right, so as you see here, I'm in my living room. I have put up different types. Make it where you can see that better. I have put up different types of number bonds. All right. So when we see number bonds, it is just like an addition problem. It's just how it's set up. Okay. So let's look at our first one. All right. We're going to start with like a smaller number because I think that's easier, and then work into bigger numbers. All right. So our first number is what? It's 2, okay? So when you take 2, you see that we are breaking it apart into 2 other numbers, all right? So this number up here that's in the big circle up top, that's your answer. So I'm gonna go ahead and write 2 down there, okay? So we're breaking it apart, so I know that 1, all right? So now I need to figure out what's going in my other number bond. So I know that it's 1 plus what equals 2. Okay, that one we can kind of do in our head, or we can do it in our on our fingers, right? So what plus 1 equals 2? 1, right? Because if I started with 1 circle that it tells me to, and I need to get to 2, how many more do I need to draw? Just 1 more. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then I'll fill it into my number bond. Okay, let's look at our next one. I have 5 on top, and then I'm going to see what it's being broken down into. All right, so if I start at the top, I know that's my answer. I'm trying to figure out something that equals 5. Okay, then I have 3. So I need to solve, what does 3 plus blank equals 5? 3 plus what equals 5? Okay, one way I can solve this, I can draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've already claimed 3 of them, so I can mark out 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. Okay, I can do it that way, or I could start by drawing 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And now I need to know how many more circles I need to draw until I get to 5. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many more did I have to draw? Just 2, okay? So, there's my marker. So 3 plus 2 equals 5, all right? Let's come down here. 4 on top, okay? And in my first number bond, I have 2, and now I need to solve what goes here, okay? So 4 on top, that tells me that's my answer. That's my sum, okay? So 4 broken down, 2. Now I need to figure out 2 plus what equals 4, okay? Now, you can use the strategy up here where I draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And I've already claimed 2 of them, so I'm gonna mark out 2. 1, 2. How many circles are left? 1, 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Or you can go ahead and draw 2 circles, because I know I have 2. Now I gotta draw until I get to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more did I add to it? 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, now we got a bigger number. All right, so let's try to solve this one. What's my big number? Woo. My big number is 9. Okay, and I remember we said that's our answer. That's our sum. Okay, so 9. Ooh, can you see that? All right. Now we're breaking 9 apart. So now I know I have 7, I need to figure out 7 plus what equals 9. All right, so I can do my 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we already know that we're doing 7, so I can mark out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 2. Okay, so 7 plus 2 equals 9. Or I could do it where I draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I need to figure out if I've already drawn 7, how many more do I need to draw to get to 9? So 7, 8, 9. How many more did I draw? 2. Okay, so this is how number bonds work, all right? Your number at the top tells you what your sum is, okay? And then you're going to be breaking it apart. So when I look at this, I know that 1 plus 1 equals 2, okay? I know that 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And 7 plus 2 equals 9. Okay, so that is how number bonds work. It's just like addition, okay? And you can use either one of these strategies to help you out with your seesaw activity. And good luck, can't wait to see it. And remember, continue practicing to count to 100 by 1s and by 10s. Bye, guys.